So the first step is to turn off and turn on Bluetooth. So on the bottom right, click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then turn off the Bluetooth and then turn it on, and then you can connect and then check. Still not working. The next step is to restart your PC and try again. Simply restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can try to connect or remove and then check. Still not working. The last step is to uninstall Bluetooth driver and then restart your computer. Now for this, make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager. Expand. First of all, turn off Bluetooth. Turn it off and then open device manager and then expand Bluetooth, and then you will see Bluetooth device. Make a right click and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. Once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. Now when you restart your computer, during the system restart, Windows should install the default Bluetooth driver, and once you are logged in, now you can connect your AirPods and then check. Now if the Bluetooth driver is not installed, in that case you can go to the system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP website and then select your model number. This is just an example. So select your model number and then you can go to drivers and download and find select the right operating system. Make sure that you select Windows 11 and then find Bluetooth driver. Now once you find it, you can download it and then you can run the file. Install the Bluetooth driver from your system manufacturer website and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can connect your AirPods or you can remove your AirPods and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.